Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vacuum that promises serious power and versatility for everything from everyday messes to those tougher shop-related tasks. Meet the Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum Wet-Dry Portable Cordless Cleaner. Whether you're tackling your car interior, cleaning up after a DIY project, or simply needing something with the muscle to handle wet and dry debris, this vacuum positions itself as a strong contender in the cordless shop vacuum space. The Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum stands out with its brushless motor, delivering an impressive 110 CFM of suction power, meaning it's capable of lifting up to 100 inches of lift. If you're unfamiliar with that, it simply means the suction is strong enough to pick up a wide range of materials, from fine dust to heavier debris. The motor performance alone makes this vacuum stand out in terms of raw power, a crucial feature for both wet and dry cleanups, which often require sustained suction strength. Looking at its tank, you're dealing with a 9-gallon capacity, making it large enough for extended cleaning sessions, whether you're working in a shop or tackling a major home clean. It includes a convenient drain plug, allowing for easy disposal of liquids, something especially important if you're dealing with wet spills or accumulated water. For a vacuum in this category, that level of capacity ensures fewer stops to empty the tank. On the ergonomic side, this vacuum isn't just about raw power. The onboard storage makes it easy to keep your accessories like nozzles, extensions, and hoses conveniently organized. It's a small but significant feature, especially if you're like most people who struggle with finding the right tool mid-clean. Now, let's dive into the battery life. While the 2x6.0-hour ARC lithium batteries are sold separately, they're compatible with all Ego 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, which means flexibility if you already own other Ego products. When fully powered, this vacuum offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on Eco mode, which is pretty decent for a cordless vacuum. If you need more power, the high mode offers 30 minutes, and turbo mode runs for 20 minutes. That range of options means you can pick your level of intensity depending on the task at hand, whether it's a quick cleanup or a more intensive job. However, it's worth noting that battery life is something to keep in mind since you'll need to invest in the batteries separately. The filtration system is another strong point here. The vacuum is equipped with a filter cleaning function that helps maintain maximum suction efficiency over time. This is especially important if you're using it for heavy-duty cleaning like a workshop, as dust and debris can quickly clog up filters. The automatic filter cleaning system is a thoughtful feature that saves you time and keeps the vacuum working at its best. Now, how does it handle the real-world messes? It's built to clean both wet and dry debris time, which is a bit of a game changer for vacuums in this range. Whether you're cleaning up dust, sawdust, pet hair, or even a spilled drink, this vacuum has the versatility to handle it all. The multiple power modes, low, high, and turbo, ensure you have the right suction for any situation. And the remote control adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to change the settings without interrupting your workflow. In terms of maneuverability, the vacuum itself is portable, and while it's not the lightest vacuum on the market, the included extension tubes, crevice nozzle, and floor nozzle make it versatile for a variety of tasks, from cleaning tight spots to covering larger surface areas. The compact design of the rubber bar and brush bar ensures it can reach beneath furniture or into tricky corners with ease. However, keep in mind that due to its larger tank and shop vac nature, it's not as lightweight or easy to carry around as a smaller handheld or stick vacuum. Let's talk about noise. With a powerful motor like this, you might expect it to be on the louder side. And it's true that the turbo mode can get pretty loud, especially when you're powering through tougher debris. If noise is a big concern for you, this might be something to consider, but given the raw power, it's understandable. Now, let's look at the attachments. The Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum comes with a solid set of accessories: 2 extension tubes, a crevice nozzle, a round brush dust nozzle, a large floor nozzle and brush bar, a rubber bar, and a compact floor nozzle. These attachments cover a broad spectrum of tasks, from cleaning delicate upholstery and car interiors to larger, more challenging floor areas. It's a nice touch that this vacuum's accessories give it a wide range of practical applications, especially when dealing with specific messes like pet hair or crumbs. When it comes to downsides, there are a few things worth noting. First, the absence of the batteries is a notable point, since they need to be purchased separately. While the runtime is impressive, the additional cost of the batteries does add to the overall investment. Another minor issue is the weight. It's a bit heavier than your typical cordless vacuums, so if you're looking for something you can easily carry around for quick spot cleanse, this might not be your best option. Also, while the filtration system is strong, the need for regular cleaning of the filter could be a little bit more hands-on for users looking for less maintenance. Is it worth the price? When considering its power, versatility, and array of features, the Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum definitely delivers a solid performance for those looking for a serious cleaning tool. It's ideal for anyone who needs a wet-dry vacuum with strong suction power and the ability to handle multiple surfaces, from garage floors to upholstery. For those already invested in the Ego brand, the ability to swap out batteries with other tools is a huge advantage, making it a good long-term investment if you already own their 56-volt ARC lithium batteries. If you're considering other vacuums in this category, there are a few to think about. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Wet Dry Vac offers solid performance and portability, but doesn't match the Egeo's 110 CFM suction power or runtime. On the other hand, the Makita 18-volt LXT Wet Dry Vacuum offers good suction for smaller tasks, but lacks the larger tank and extended battery options that the Ego offers. Both are worthy competitors, but the Ego vacuum stands out if you're after more versatility and power. In terms of build quality, this vacuum feels solid and durable. The materials used are sturdy, and the design seems built to last, which is essential for a vacuum in this price range. The maintenance is straightforward. The filter cleaning function is a handy addition, and emptying the 9-gallon tank isn't overly complicated. Over time, as with most shop vacs, keeping the hose and filter clean will be important to maintain suction and avoid any potential issues. So, who's this vacuum for? It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts, car owners, pet owners, or anyone who needs a vacuum that can tackle both wet and dry messes. If you have a larger home or workspace, the Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum's large tank, powerful suction, and versatile attachments make it a solid all-around option. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're considering picking up the Ego Power Plus Shop Vacuum Wet Dry, the link to grab it is in the comments box below. Let us know if you've used this vacuum or if you've got any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future reviews from Reviewsinside TV. Goodbye till next time, and may your cleanups always be quick and easy.